Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create second user in Windows 11. This is a very simple process, and to do so, first of all, open your laptop and log into your account. Now go to the taskbar and click on the Windows icon. Now search for settings and click on open. Now look for accounts and click on it. Now scroll down till you see other users. Click on it. Now you will see an option saying other users. Click on add account. But if you do not have an email, then you can click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then you can either create a new email address, or you can use add a user without a Microsoft account. Then you will fill in and give this account a username and its password, and in case you forgot your password, you can fill in some security questions. Filling the security question is very important. So after that, you can click on next. Then a second account is created. Now you can click on this and change the account type standard user to administrator, and then you can also remove the account. Once finished, the second account will appear on the login screen. And that's it, you've successfully created another user on Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.